Here are 10 weird computer facts. The first computer mouse was made of wood. The world's first computer programmer was a woman named Ada Lovelace. The first computer virus was created in 1983 and was called Elk Cloner. The first hard disk drive weighed over a ton and could only store 5 megabytes of data. The first website was put online in 1991 and was just a single page of text. The first video game, called Tennis for Two, was created in 1958 and was played on an oscilloscope. The first computer ever built, called the Atanasoff-Berry Computer, was created in 1937 and took up an entire room. The first computer-generated feature film was Toy Story in 1995. The world's fastest computer, as of 2021, is the Fugaku in Japan, which can perform 442 quadrillion calculations per second. The average lifespan of a computer mouse is only around 2 years.